Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, imagine you're a data scientist, you open a data set, messy, incomplete, full of hidden signals. Now imagine handing that entire problem to an AI agent and expecting it to just solve it. Sounds powerful, but is it actually real? Today, we are diving into AgentDS, benchmarking the future of human AI collaboration in domain-specific data science by Anlua and Jindu. This paper asks a bold question. Can AI agents truly replace human data scientists, especially in domain-heavy real-world problems? And the answer is way more nuanced than you would expect. So first, what is AgentDS? Think of it as a stress test for AI in data science, not simple Kaggle-style tasks, but problems that require domain understanding. They designed 17 challenges across 6 industries: commerce, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, food production, and retail banking. Each challenge mixes data types, tables, images, text, even PDFs. So it's not just train a model, it's more like understand the system behind the data. For example, in healthcare, you're predicting readmissions, but you need to interpret vital signs and medical context. In insurance, you might need to extract meaning from images of damage. Generic pipelines, they fail here. Now, here's where it gets interesting. They didn't just build a benchmark, they ran a full competition, 29 teams, 80 participants, 10 days of intense problem solving. And participants could use any AI tools they wanted. So this becomes a real world test of human versus AI versus collaboration. At the same time, they tested 2 AI only baselines. One, direct prompting. Basically, here's the data, write the full pipeline. 2, an agentic coding system that iteratively writes, runs, and improves code. Kind of like giving AI its own dev loop. But even with that, something unexpected happens. The results are clear. AI alone struggles. The direct prompting model ranked below the median. The agentic system did better, but still far from top human teams. Why? Because AI defaults to patterns it knows: load data, pre-process, run XGBoost. It looks correct, but misses the deeper signals, especially when multimodal data is involved. For example, AI often ignored image data entirely, while humans used computer vision models to extract meaningful features. So the gap isn't about coding ability, it's about reasoning in context. Now let's flip the perspective. What did humans do differently? This is where the story gets really powerful. Top teams didn't just rely on AI, they guided it. They diagnosed problems like distribution shifts or feature interactions. Before asking AI to implement solutions, they engineered features using domain knowledge like medical thresholds or financial risk rules. And most importantly, they didn't blindly trust AI outputs. In fact, some teams said accepting AI suggestions hurt performance. So they flipped the workflow: think first, then use AI to execute. Here's the key insight: human expertise adds something AI doesn't have, not just speed, but judgment. Humans can say, this model looks good, but it won't generalize. They can override validation scores based on intuition and experience. AI, it optimizes what it sees, not what it understands. That difference is everything. So what actually works best? Not humans alone, not AI alone, but a loop. Humans define direction, AI accelerates execution, humans evaluate, then refine again. It's like AI is the engine, but humans are still the driver. Now, let's talk pitfalls and takeaways. Biggest pitfall: over trusting autonomous agents. They look impressive, but break down on domain-specific problems. Practical tip: use AI for coding, iteration, and exploration, but always own the problem framing and feature design yourself. So the future of data science isn't AI replacing humans. It's something more interesting, a collaboration where human intuition meets machine speed. And honestly, we're just beginning to figure out how that partnership works. If you found this helpful, hit like, Subscribe and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.